Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cake. So if you guys want to see how I made this buttercream painted leopard cake, well, keep on watching. Many thought that you couldn't paint on buttercream, but you actually can. The trick is to make sure that your butter is cold and hard, not too frozen or else your cake is gonna start sweating, but cold enough so that it's hard at the touch. So basically what you need to do is do your normal buttercream coating. So you're gonna crumb coat and then do your second coat, making sure everything is nice and crisp, and then you're gonna pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while that's in the freezer, you're gonna create your edible paint. So I use black, brown, and beige food coloring, and I mix it up with a little bit of vodka. By the way, when vodka dries, there's no more alcohol aspect onto your cake, but if you don't trust that technique, you can also use lemon extract to do so. It works fine. You just won't have that nice shininess, but it will work. So just take a little bit of vodka or lemon extract into a small bowl, add your gel food coloring, and then just mix, and then you get that paint. So if you add too much lemon extract or vodka, it's gonna be very runny and liquidy. So that's not you don't want that. You want it to be like almost like a paste, but like a liquid paste. So basically you're gonna take a brush and you're gonna start with your brown / beige color, and then just create little shapes here and there. You don't have to be perfect for this. Actually, the less perfect it is, the nicer it's going to be. Once you have that onto your cake, you're gonna create little like almost C's with your black edible paint that you have created. Once that's done, you're just going to take another brush and your metallic paint, and then you're going to create a little dot inside each little brown shapes that you have created, and then that's the leopard look to it, and it's such a wow factor. I really like this technique. You can use the same technique on fondant, by the way, and you can also use the same technique with Swiss meringue buttercream also. So for the flowers, just make sure that the flowers are food safe and they're not poisonous. And so if you're using the stem, you're going to cover the stem with floor tape, and you can also place a straw into your cake and then place your stem into your straw. Or you can simply cut the stem and then just place a blob of buttercream and then just place your flower on top. You can do that too, but never place a stem from a flower directly into your cake, because especially if the flower comes from a florist, because the florists, what they do to preserve the flower, they put chemicals inside. So if you do that, you're actually going to contaminate your cake. So this is why you always have to be very safe with your cake, making sure that it's food safe by following these steps. Whatever steps that you're using, also you can do a toothpick in the stem, and then you just place it onto your cake, so your cake is not touching the stem, it's actually just touching the toothpick. But just make sure that whatever technique that you're using, it's always food safe. And that was pretty much it. I really hope, oh, and the cake topper, obviously it's customized and it comes from my shop. So if you guys are interested about these beautiful cake toppers, go ahead and have a look in my description box down below. I have a link that will bring you to my Etsy shop. And this is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.